Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group will make a video about digital law. My name is Darwisyaah binti YUSOFF. My matric number is 2022-675104.
Hi, my name is ADLINA Najwa binti HAMDAN. My matric number is 2022-698-592.
Hi everyone, my name is NURFATIHAH Najwa binti Muhammad ABBAS. My matric number is 2022-899654.
Hi guys, my name is NURUL ASHIKIN binti Muhammad NORHAFIZAL and my matric number is 2022-616378. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Najwa and I am from Faculty of Information Management.
Have you heard about the digital law?
I think I have heard it somewhere.
So what do you think the digital law is?
Since the internet is a public space, I think there must be rules and regulations on how we should act.
Can you guess one of the violations of the digital law?
I think streaming videos on illegal sites like movies or dramas.
Okay, thank you for your cooperation.
My name is Ashila binti Muhammad Suharto.
Hi Ashila, so what do you think about digital law?
Digital law is law that allocated for activities that happen while you're using the internet.
What do I think about digital law? I think about cyberbullying online, or more specifically doxing someone, doxing their personal information. That is a very serious federal crime that can lead me to can get me in trouble with the law, you know, like the police and stuff. I also think about the recording inside a movie theater, recording the movie. That is also a crime if I get caught, a very serious crime. I also think about posting the wrong information online, spreading misinformation, lying about someone. That is also something that will be taken seriously and can lead me to court if someone decided to sue me about that misinformation. What else? I also think about how companies these days, entertainment companies, take their copyright stuff very seriously. So for example, something like Disney, I cannot make a profit of their characters online, so that is also like I can be sued for that from that major company and most definitely lost to them. I don't have anything else. Thank you.
Thank you.
Digital law is defined as electronic responsibility for action and deeds. In other words, digital law refers to what you are and not allowed to do while using the internet. Digital law also deals with the aspect of technology within a society. A technical use manifests itself in form of theft and crime. Tactical use manifests itself in the form of abiding by the law of society. User need to understand that stealing or causing damage to other people's work, identity or property online is a crime. Untactical use encompasses all activity on the internet that do not abide by the law of society. There are certain rules of society that users need to be aware. In an ethical society, there are laws applied to everyone who work or play online. Examples of ethical use of the internet include property cheating sources, respecting order and reading the abiding by the term of use for references file application that you use. Example of unethical use of the internet include hacking into other information, pirating software, download music illegally, plagiarizing, creating distraction worm, viruses or creating Trojan horse, sending spam and stealing anyone's identity for property. It is important to know that there are significant consequences for violating digital law. Example of illegal technology use. Students download copyright music from social networking or file sharing sites. Students scripting to bypass firewall or other network protection. Example of legal technology use. Students understand what can be downloaded without change and what is considered copyright material and should be paid for. Students inform an adult of other sharing nude or semi-nude photograph.
Assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back to our talk show. It's me, your host Najwa. So today, I will be accompanied by two incredible guests to talk about the digital law. So welcome ASHIKIN and ADLINA. So introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is ASHIKIN from the Faculty of Information Management, and I'm here to help you to dive deep into the digital law.
And hi, I'm ADLINA Najwa binti HAMDAN. I'm also from the same faculty as her, which is Faculty of Information Management.
Since you guys know more about the ICT topic, I'm sure the viewers are curious about the types of violation of digital law. I mean, today most of us might already violate the law, like downloading song from the illegal WhatsApp, like.
Yeah.
So,
Before I talk about this, I want to share what is digital law. Digital law is some restriction that we must follow when we surf into the internet. Some of the violation that we always do are pirating software, hacking, copyright infringement, and illegal file sharing.
The most common one must be the illegal file sharing, right?
Yes, you bet.
I know most of us have done it, but as trivial and as small as it sounds, it's still wrong to do it, guys. So please refrain yourself from doing it, like downloading music from the illegal websites. Since today's talk show is limited in time, I will talk to you briefly about the copyright infringement and the illegal file sharing. So illegal file sharing is like when you download certain media from the website that has been copyrighted, but you haven't paid for it. You download it freely. So, for instance, when you want to download your favorite movies from like the Telegram channel, that's called as illegal file sharing. So, I guess most of us have heard about the copyright infringement, especially from YouTube. So, when individuals or companies have created new products or work, they will register them to protect it and to gain profits from it. Copyright infringement will happen when individuals use their work without the permission of the copyright owner.
that was easy to digest. So thank you to the ASHIKIN and ADLINA for the explanation. So now, if I decide to violate the copyright infringement, what would happen to me? So really,
I heard there was a joke there, but if someone still do the violation, the person who did it must pay a certain amount of money or go to jail. But if you want to go to the jail, you can do it. I'm just kidding. Please don't do it. Same goes to the illegal file sharing. When you downloading the file, you also download the viruses and spyware to your laptop or to your software. So that's why we must what we say?
We only download it.
That's why we only watch movie and listening to the music through legal apps and website only.
wow, I have gaining new information today. Thank you to you guys.
Yes, welcome.
So we would be including our conversation today. Thank you to the ASHIKIN and ADLINA for coming to my talk show to tell us about the digital law. Goodbye.
Bye.